It is trying to get a little more life out of some of our residential streets, and they're doing it by using a new and improved paving surface. KKCO 11 News reporter Jason Berger found out why this new stuff is so unique.
The city of Grand Junction is using a new product to repave some of its city streets. And while it might look like asphalt, it's not. It's supposed to last longer and be tougher. And some residents in this neighborhood say they're glad it's here.
You know, as you can see, it looks a lot better now. I mean, it does.
Gary Bosca has lived in this neighborhood since 2003.
They had filled in potholes and repaired cracks.
But he says the new surface looks different.
I have never seen it before.
And he knows roads.
Years ago, I actually was involved in the asphalt process.
It isn't brand new asphalt. It is a new surface that helps seal the surface of the asphalt.
The new stuff fights off water.
That'll hopefully stay together and keep water out of developing cracks in the future.
And as for the cost,
$3.04 a square yard. We can usually compare that to, say, a chip seal runs us about $2 a square yard.
But Gary says he's happy to help foot the bill.
You know, I don't mind contributing taxes to schools and everything else. So yeah, to have them take care of the road, I think is a great thing.
In Grand Junction, I'm Jason Berger, KKCO 11 News.
Your tax dollars are being spent in a new innovative way, all in an effort to help maintain residential roads.
KRX5 News reporter Camila Barco learned how a durable and effective new product is helping to save roads and money. Camila?
Brandon, Chelsea, this product has already proved effective in last year's pilot program where they first tested it out near Grand Junction High School. Now it's making a comeback, and locals say it looks like a new neighborhood.
On the north side of town, neighbors are noticing some residential changes.
They definitely look nicer.
Rachel Reynolds has been living a little over a year at Spanish Trails.
We like the area. Our kids go to school at Cap Rock. Our business is near here, so it works out well for us.
And just a few weeks ago, the city of Grand Junction paved her way to a smoother drive.
Anything that's more durable and more cost-effective is definitely beneficial to our neighborhood as well as our community.
It's a new innovative way with a flexible product
that you put over your street
called high density mineral bond, also known as HA5.
There is asphalt involved, and it really provides a flexible surface.
Unlike a traditional asphalt street, HA5 is durable for many reasons.
It really encapsulates it in a self-healing rubberized surface.
The most important one being water, the enemy of paved surfaces.
It weakens the material, the base underneath, and breaks that apart into more and more wider cracks, and that's what ultimately creates potholes.
But it's also a cost-saving method.
Then this is only about $3 per square yard.
In contrast to their chip seal program.
Spreading a layer of oil across the top of our streets that have already been crack filled.
Which was costly for taxpayers.
Even a structural overlay where we just put 2 inches of asphalt over the top, that runs about $16 a square yard.
While this product lays as a foundation to improve city streets,
we won't be spending money redoing that same process more frequently.
It will slowly have to make its way to other residential roads.
The city of Grand Junction says they are looking at other streets and neighborhoods with qualifying factors to be able to implement this new product next year.